Are you feeling like just another cog in the machine? In today's construction industry, average isn't good enough, especially when it comes to building information modeling or BIM.
Exactly. If you're not pushing to excel in BIM and virtual design and construction, you're falling behind. But don't worry. We're here to help you stand out with 6 expert tips to elevate your BIM skills and take your career to the next level.
Curious about what it takes to rise above the rest? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have practical strategies to not just keep up, but to lead. Let's start with the most important thing, proactive learning. In an industry that's constantly evolving, staying still isn't an option. You have to keep moving forward by continuously learning.
Think about it. When was the last time you learned something new that really changed the way you work? If you can't remember, it's time to step up your game.
Absolutely. Don't wait for learning opportunities to come to you. Seek them out. The more you know, the more valuable you become.
Next up, certifications. These aren't just fancy titles. They're proof of your expertise. Whether it's getting certified in Revit or taking an advanced BIM course, these credentials make a huge difference.
And it's not just about getting that certificate. It's about the skills you gain along the way. Set a goal to achieve a key certification in the next 6 to 12 months. Trust us, it'll set you apart.
The BIM world is always changing. New tools, new technologies, there's always something new to learn. But it's not enough to just know what's out there. You need to understand how these trends can give you a competitive edge.
Exactly. So, what's the latest trend you've heard about? How can you start applying it to your projects today? Share your thoughts with us in the comments. Here's a big one. Curiosity. When you hit a snag, don't complain. Ask questions. Every challenge is an opportunity to learn.
Right. Next time you're stuck, instead of getting frustrated, ask yourself what you can learn from the situation. It's a game changer. Humility is key on the road to mastery. It keeps you open to new ideas, willing to accept feedback, and always ready to improve.
And feedback is gold. When was the last time you asked for feedback on your work? Make it a habit and watch how quickly you grow. Finally, let's talk about excellence. Excellence isn't a one-time achievement. It's a continuous journey. It's about always striving to do better, to be better.
Exactly. Set ambitious goals for your next project, whether it's mastering a new tool or innovating a process. And don't just meet those goals, exceed them.
Elevating your BIM skills is about more than just ticking boxes. It's about adopting a mindset of constant improvement and excellence.
So, are you ready to take your career to the next level? Start implementing these tips today and watch your skills and your career transform.
If these tips were helpful, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like.
And don't forget to share your own strategies for mastering BIM in the comments. We'd love to hear what's working for you.